Retreat! Fall back to the Ragnvald bridge! He's still fighting! As long as the god of war is standing, no one in the Nine Realms can stop us!
No.
Ragnvald. No more killing.
Who did this to you? Who turned you into a giant and brought you here? I'll kill them!
Promise me. Don't avenge me. Let my death be the reason you stop being a monster of war. Killing has always been a curse. Let it all live as immortal and raise our child well.
No! No. Don't leave. Don't leave me! Please!
Sigrid, I promise you, this sword will seal my divine power for 15 years, until our daughter is of age. From now on, there will be no Ragnvald, god of war. I'm just Val the Blacksmith, a mere mortal.
The Sprithia gathers all he finds selts, and Dream March's body are on wake.
Hey, old man! Insult him all you want, but leave me out of it! You're nothing but a human accountant these days.
Again, this time, I'll put you down even faster.
Gunnar! No
No wonder you're Tassa's most decorated warrior. You're my hero.
With Gunnar around, there's no enemy we can't beat. Looking at him is like looking at the legendary god of war himself. Get lost, Blacksmith. Look at this junk you made. It's the reason I lost.
Can't handle the weapon, so he blames the steel.
Kesa dzikagon najdziotsiri?
Skoro si Vestagon.
Gunnar, the king of Caledonian has arrived. Their warriors have challenged us to a duel.
Runa, you're Tassa's strongest female warrior. Your mother's talent runs in your blood. Your father's just a blacksmith. Now prove you're destined for more than the forge.
This sword will prove it.
Runa, don't. Training is to protect yourself, not drag you into war.
No! Just because you chose the forge doesn't mean I have to. I understand the ancient tongue, but you've never let me speak to Mimir. I want to be a warrior, a hero. Just like the legendary god of war.
Your mother only ever wanted you to live an ordinary life.
Don't talk about my mother! You never found her killer. You never avenged her. This necklace is all I have left of her, and you won't even tell me how she died! All you do is hide with that old wolf hammer steel and pretend none of it ever happened!
It's not what you think.
I've never looked down on you for being a blacksmith, but I despise your cowardice. The real reason I want to become a warrior isn't glory, it's revenge. I want to avenge my mother!
Runa's talent clearly comes from her mother.
As for you, can't you at least stop holding her back? Runa, you'll avenge your mother one day. I will avenge her myself, but not today.
Vald's trying to look brave in front of your daughter. Spare us. You're just a blacksmith. Have you ever seen a battlefield? Ever killed a man? Poor Runa, cursed with a father like you.
The forge is dying out. Get back there and hammer some steel.
I don't want a father like you. My father should be the legendary god of war. A true hero. Not a coward who couldn't even save his own wife.
The sun is almost at its highest point.
Three duels. 3 warriors from each side. The losing city-state becomes the other's vassal. Tassa, accept!
Old man, at least you've got some backbone. Let's see what Tassa has to offer.
Gunnar, Tassa's most decorated warrior!
I know you. Your mother was a powerful witch. You once defeated a dragon with your bare hands.
Enar, my son. He's been trained as a warrior since the day he learned to walk.
You've slain 2 black bears. That makes you something of a hero. And the third?
Runa!
the most talented female warrior in Tassa.
A girl? Has Tassa fallen so far that you're sending a girl to her death?
I'm 16, and I'm not here to die. I'm here to win. If you don't believe me, step into the arena and find out for yourself.
Looks like this duel will end even quicker than I expected.
These aren't ordinary ravens. They're Hugin and Mooning. They only appear where the souls of fallen warriors gather. Why does that face look so familiar? No, it can't be. That's Balder. The gods have started interfering in mortal wars.
What's that scent? A young girl. The fragrance of a virgin.
I'll make you taste defeat again, then smell the rot of your own corpse.
Runa, don't go. You can't defeat him.
What are you talking about? I haven't even stepped into the arena yet. Can you stop causing trouble for once?
Jor Elgon, how Jehodaurundagon bona. Costolis augurugon nayot mazigon.
Nik abrasier dauri fepareos. Nik know what I'm doing. Let's begin.
Honestly, sending a girl to fight me is an insult. I'll let you hit me first. I promise I won't fight back.
That's it, Runa! Runa! Be careful! He's immortal! Now you've seen what a warrior of Tassa can do!
You're celebrating a little too early. The duel isn't over yet.
Runa!
Nobody survives the dagger through the neck unless he's not human. If a god is interfering in a mortal war, Runa can't win. Now it's my turn.
How is that possible?
Runa! Use the wooden arrow! It's made from mistletoe! It's his only weakness!
You want me to fight him with a child's toy? You don't know the first thing about combat.
Idiot! Stop distracting her! Runa! Keep pressing him with your dagger!
Who is that man shouting?
I think he's a blacksmith.
Balder was blessed by his mother Frigga. Nothing in creation can harm him except mistletoe. How does this man know that?
Runa! Use the wooden arrow! It's made from mistletoe! It's his only weakness!
It's a gamble. I'll take it.
Balder! End this fight now!
Why does this man look so familiar?
No, he is God of... Oh. Immortal Balder was actually killed by a tiny mistletoe arrow. Runa, you just killed a god!
Runa, you truly are a warrior of Tassa. Well done.
How did Ragnvald know Baldur's weakness?
Who are you? You're no ordinary man.
Your Majesty, he's just a lowly blacksmith from our camp. He got lucky and guessed right, that's all.
An ordinary blacksmith guessed Baldur's weakness?
If you're not a coward, prove it to everyone. Stop giving me reasons to look down on you.
Has Tassa fallen so low that you need a blacksmith to lead you?
What are you doing here? Antil and Caledania are now allies. Oh, I forgot to mention, we've captured 3,000 Tassa warriors at the border. We were just about to bury them all in a pit. Beat me. I'll release them all.
My God! My child is only 16! He promised he would come home alive!
But with 2 idiots and 1 girl fighting for you, you're destined to lose.
It's not too late to beg for mercy.
Say one more word and I'll knock your teeth all over the floor!
Fighting takes real skill, not just a loud mouth. Accept the challenge if you're able.
Or are you too scared?
For the safe return of 3,000 Tassa warriors, we fight to the end!
Not good. That's Ragnvald, the Valkyrie who collects fallen warriors' souls. This battle will bring far greater casualties.
Name your terms.
The stakes go up. Within the time limit, one side must kill the other. If Tassa loses, we'll slaughter the entire city. Not one soul left alive.
What? Are you insane?
Your Majesty, this is no longer just a duel. This is about Tassa's survival.
What, scared? Kneel down, bark like a dog, and crawl between my legs. Then maybe I'll consider sparing you.
Who says I'm afraid? The warriors of Tassa never retreat!
Your Majesty, I just defeated Balder. I request permission to fight. I'm fine. Please let me fight.
But Balder just wounded you badly. If you force yourself to continue, you may not survive.
And it seems there is no other choice.
And raise our child well.
My power won't be unsealed for another 15 minutes. No time to worry about that now.
I'll go in her place!
Father, are you insane?
Are you joking? You're a blacksmith, and you want to fight for Tassa? Are you trying to get us all killed?
Runa, all these years I kept backing down. I looked weak and cowardly, and because of that, you suffered and were mocked. But believe me, from today on that will never happen again.
Are you sure? This is a duel to the death.
Don't worry, I won't let you down. But I need to fight last. So you are still a coward, causing trouble at a time like this.
You must have a death wish.
I'll teach you a lesson. Look him up!
Gunnar, he is still my father.
Runa, don't worry. I won't hurt him. I just want him to watch with his own eyes as we win this duel.
Father, I think Ragnvald might actually be able to defeat them. My progress these past 2 years was all thanks to his guidance.
I really have misjudged him. Go.
Where did this divine warrior come from?
How can a human fight a god?
Freya, king of the elves, a core god of the Vanir. Gunnar may be in danger this time.
Freya, please. The legends say Freya carries the sword of victory. If he's really Freya, where's his sword?
Who is that man? Why does he carry the aura of my lost sword of victory? It was taken by the god of war 16 years ago and vanished.
You're cheating! He isn't one of your warriors!
Who says he isn't? I accept him, and he accepts. That's enough.
If you're so capable, invite the god of war to fight for you. Too bad he disappeared 16 years ago. Be careful.
So what if he's really a god? Baldur died too.
Today, if men come, I kill men. If gods come,
I kill God!
I didn't expect Tassa's warriors to be this weak.
Even Gunnar, our strongest warrior, is no match for him!
How could you be so vicious?
This is a duel to the death. Not killing him outright was already mercy.
Time isn't up yet.
I'll fight in Gunnar's place. Interesting. Then I'll play with you.
When did you get this strong?
I told you. The blacksmith taught me.
Your Majesty, let's surrender. If you won't, then I will. Runa, surrender too, I'm begging you.
If you want to surrender, do it yourself. Coward before the battle even begins. Traitor! Your Majesty, I'll fight.
Go.
Looks like Tarsa still has some backbone.
Since you want to fight, we'll send a female warrior too.
Runa, don't go. Your opponent is more terrifying than you think.
Well, don't worry. I'll come back safe.
Fenrir!
Your time has not come yet, but the time for me to repay my debt has.
No, old friend. I may have once freed you from the magic chain Gleipnir, but I don't need you to repay me.
What is he doing?
This dagger now carries Fenrir's wolf spirit.
Remember, hold on for 5 minutes. Leave the rest to me.
What? Father!
Who is she? She carries the aura of death. Even I can't guess her identity.
Oh. You look so much like your mother.
What?
What? You knew my mother. Tell me, did you kill her?
Defeat me, and I'll tell you.
Runa!
Runa! Well done. I knew I was right about you. My god, what kind of monster is that?
So it's Hala, goddess of the underworld. The Norse gods wouldn't need to act just to deal with Tassin. This whole conspiracy was designed to force me to act.
Let the chaos begin!
Look at you, poor mortal. Foolish child.
Let me out!
Don't waste your strength. See the runes on this cage? They once held a sea dragon. You'll never escape.
The Iron Knight is dead. Runa's wounded and that useless man is no help. Your Majesty, maybe we should surrender. Until it's unbeatable, we surrender. No more fighting! No more! Coward!
Good, good. Tassa's warriors are weak enough already, but I didn't expect them to be cowards too. How humiliating.
I told you long ago. Tassa has no chance of winning. Struggling only costs you more lives. The combined power of our two city-states is unmatched.
Your Majesty, if you won't surrender, don't drag us down with you! We don't want to die with you! Right, brothers?
Are we really going to lose?
I have to hold on. 3 more minutes.
Pretty little thing. Looks so familiar.
No! You broke my mother's necklace!
I admire your courage. If you agree to marry my son and become my daughter-in-law, I may consider sparing your life.
Runa, you're such a fool. You don't even know a blessing when you see one. You actually think you can defeat a god?
In your dreams!
Do it! Don't hurt her!
Cigarette.
Mothers! I never imagined you'd grown this much. The fragments of the necklace summoned.
How lovely! Sigrid, if I could kill you once, I can kill you again!
Mother!
No, Sigrid!
Cigarette.
Ragnvald, I never blamed you. Protect our daughter.
Oh, Sigrid!
Well, ready to surrender now?
We lost.
Now no one can save you.
I already lost my wife. I will not lose my child too.